Hello everyone, welcome back to day 4 of our Korean vocabulary class. You've already learned 30 words. That's amazing progress. Today we are going to learn 10 new words and practice making simple question sentences. Remember, take your notebook, write with me, speak with me, repeat every sentence clearly. Let's start. Okay, so our first word is bo. Bo, which means what? The sentence is 이것은 뭐예요? 이것은 뭐예요? Which means what is this? Repeat after me. 뭐, 뭐. Okay, so our next word is 누구. 누구, 누구. Which means who? The sentence is 그 사람은 누구예요? 그 사람은 누구예요? Which means who is that person? Repeat after me. 누구, 누구, 누구. Great. Our next word is 언제. 언제, 언제, which means when. The sentence is 언제 가요? 언제 가요? 언제 가요? Which means when are you going? Repeat after me. 언제, 언제. Great. Our next word is 왜, 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 which means why. The sentence is 왜 웃어요? 왜 웃어요? Which means why are you laughing? Repeat after me. 왜, 왜. Our next word is 어떻게, 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 which means how. The sentence is 어떻게 공부해요? 어떻게 공부해요? 어떻게 공부해요? Which means how do you study? Repeat after me. 어떻게, 어떻게. Our next word is 몇, 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 which means how many and how much. The sentence is 학생이 몇 명이에요? 학생이 몇 명이에요? 학생이 몇 명이에요? Which means how many students are there? Remember, 명 is used for counting people. Repeat after me. 몇, 몇, 몇. Our next word is 항상, 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 which means always. The sentence is 저는 항상 바빠요. 저는 항상 바빠요. Which means I'm always busy. Repeat after me. 항상, 항상. Great. Our next word is 가끔, 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 which means sometimes. The sentence is 저는 가끔 영화를 봐요. 저는 가끔 영화를 봐요. Which means I sometimes watch movie. I sometimes watch movies. Repeat after me. 가끔, 가끔. Our next word is 너무, 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 which means very and too. The sentence is 너무 어려워요. 너무 어려워요, which means it's very difficult. Repeat after me. 너무, 너무. Great. Our next word is 정말, 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 which means really. The sentence is 정말 좋아요, 정말 좋아요, which means it's really good. Repeat after me. 정말, 정말. Okay, now answer this. The question is 오늘 뭐 해요? 오늘 뭐 해요? Which means what are you doing today? Try answering this. 저는 공부해요. Repeat. 저는 공부해요. See, you're already making conversation. Very good, everyone. Now you can ask basic questions in Korean. That's a big step. Practice these questions with your friends or even in the comments. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. I will reply and help you. See you in day 5. Keep going. You're improving every day. Fighting.